from the Academy Awards after using an anti-gay slur.
Emergency alert system capabilities. This test message has been initiated by National Alert and Warning Authorities in coordination with emergency alert system participants, including broadcast, cable, satellite, and wireline participants in your area. Had this been an actual emergency, the attention signal you just heard would have been followed by emergency information, news, or instructions. This is only a test. We now return you to regular programming.
Sex abuse scandal.
This is a national emergency. This message is to be relayed over all cable and broadcasting systems. All normal programming has been discontinued during this national emergency. At this time, please do not turn off your device. Do not use the telephone lines. Telephone lines are to be kept open for emergencies only. If you are hearing this on the road, please pull over or exit at the nearest available opportunity. It is important that you listen closely to this message. This is not a test. Repeating, this is not a test. Please stand by. This scenario could signify the end of all life on our planet. The destruction of entire cities is imminent. Into the arms of the Lord we will all return. The inevitable must come. However, it is crucial to remain calm during this time. Do not commit suicide, as it would only add to the distress of those around you. Spend your final hours as peaceful as you possibly can. Do what comforts you most. Seek comfort and support from your loved ones, pets, gods, or other factors. When telling the situation with your children, it is important to do so in a calm and reassuring way. Do not frighten them. Ensure their utmost comfort and reassurance during this time. The table is ready, and the feast is coming for his children.